Hi viewer, in this video I am going to share with you Quick Assist. What is it? How does it work? Quick Assist is basically an app with which you can connect. For example, if your parents or your brother or your friends have some problem in their computer and they cannot fix it and so you can take control of their computer from anywhere. You have to type here Quick Assist. This is the app Quick Assist. It is Windows app, so it is available in Windows 10 and 11. So just click open. Here you will see now that the Quick Assist application will open. Here you see get assistance. Allow someone you trust to assist you by taking control of your computer. For example, you have some problem, so you can call your IT administrator, and you can connect and give the control of your computer to them for fixing the issue. Or if your family member or your parents have some problem and their computer, you can connect with them also with this application Get Assistance. When you open Quick Assist, so you will see these two options: Get Assistant, Give Assistant. If you are getting the assistant, so the other person will give you a code which you will enter here and share your screen. If you are giving assistance, so you will have to come here, assist another person, and after that you will see that screen. After that you will see this screen, share security code. Here is a code that you will need to give to that person to whom you are going to provide assistance. Or if someone else is going to assist you, so he or she will give you a code, and this code is valid for only 10 minutes, so it gets expired after that. So this time is showing here, so you can copy this to clipboard, provide some instruction, cancel and start over. So if you, they will have this page, so they will provide this code. If you are receiving assistance, so the other person will give you the code, you will have to enter here. If you are providing assistance, so you will come here, and that code, when the Quick Assist give you the code, so you will provide to them on phone or by email or WhatsApp, and when they enter that code and share their screen, so you will be able to do the required work in that computer.
That's it.
Hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.
And thanks for watching.